for the inspect.
Okay,
This
well,
is a tree.
you did good.
Hey man, no problem for the video and you and talk to oh very happy for my opener. Yeah. This is the lady, the opener, Nicole, the name. Is happy
Yes.
lady.
The spokesperson for the
Huh?
owner, yes.
Ah.
Very happy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Did a good job.
Oh, thank you.
Carlos and Dominique.
Thank you,
Very
Nicole.
good job.
Huh?
Explained everything. Stopped broken things. Reestablished and gave the right kind of the umbrellas and the droppers.
Thank you.
And opened space for the fig and avocado. Did an excellent job.
You check the trick? No.
What?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah.
Yeah. Did a good job in putting drips on the orchids, or at least this line of them. They have droppers on the canna and the calla lilies. They have umbrellas on the citrus, both lemon trees and the rose bush, and the 2 orange trees, or 3 orange trees.
True.
The avocado, this fig, the hedges. Some of the orchids still need to be hand watered. And we think the pomegranate is okay. They took care of the roses in the front, the grass in the front, the 2 trees in the front, and they took care of the 2 reed orchids on the side of the house.
All right. Thank you very much, Sister Nicole. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Gracias. Both of you. You worked very hard. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got
Thank you,
here
Nicole.
at 8 o'clock, and what time is it now?
Like maybe like at 12.